Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to prep your canvas for painting or for resining or for any other type of media art that you're doing. We're going to be using some painter's tape. We're going to be using some thumbtacks. We're going to use a wooden popsicle stick. We're going to need scissors. We're going to need a leveler to make sure that everything is nice and level once you prepared it. And we're also going to be using a plastic drop cloth heavy duty, because when you're finished, you want to be able to take it all up and just toss it in the trash, or you can reuse it if you like. So we're starting off on an Artist Loft canvas. This is the I think this is the level 2 canvas, if I'm not mistaken. It's the level 2 Artist Loft canvas. And we're going to just flip it over. We're going to get our tape. Let's start off with a nice clean part here. And I hope you guys can see me. Let me make sure that I am in frame so that you can see what am I doing. So I'm gonna just push that up right there. Okay. And what you want to do, you want to take your tape and just line it on the edge, just like that. You're going to take your tape all the way down to the other side. And see, I have some that is leaning over. I'm not always very good at lining my tape up for some reason, but we're gonna take and press down on it. We're gonna snip that side. And what we're gonna do with our popsicle stick, we're gonna take and just press down to make sure that nothing leaks underneath. Okay? You want to make sure that nothing leaks, because after all, you want your work to look good, not only on the front, but on the back as well. Okay? And we're going to switch around. We're going to take another piece, and we're just going to line it up. We're going to put it there. Slide your hand, just press it so that it stays in place really good. Back to the popsicle stick, and we're going to press it so that our edges are locked in. They're going to be nice and neat. We're not going to have any jagged edges or anything. It's just going to be nice. Then we're going to snip it again onto the next side. We're going to put our tape down again. Slide it out. Press down. Just going to press down like that to make sure it's nice and snug. Again, we're going to take our popsicle stick and we're going to take and apply pressure. Okay? Like I said, you do not want anything going up under that tape. Okay? Nice and neat, nice and tidy. We're on the last one, the last side. I take it and we're going to press down on it so that it's nice and neat. Snip it. Gonna press down. Make sure we're pressing down really good. Make sure it sticks, okay? This is a good way to make sure that you remember to keep your sides and the back nice and neat, okay? So we do have that. Now, sometimes I take and do another row, only because I want to make sure that I don't, when I'm flipping it over, I don't want to take my hands and miss and touch the back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take and make me another row. Just like that. Kind of press it down. Nice and neat. And we're going to snip it. Okay. So then I've got that one. And so it's a little bit wider. So you have a little more room to play with, just in case your hands miss and touch the back of it and you really don't want it to exactly touch back there, because you want, when you, especially if you're selling your work, you want your work to be very professional. You want your work to look good. You want your work to represent you, represent how you do things, and that's all a part of making it nice and clean. Okay. Here we go. And we're gonna snip it. Okay. Now, just because I'm taking it and doing it on a second time, it doesn't mean that that's what you have to do. But that's what I like to do. So, if you want your work to be nice, it's a good suggestion that you do it too, but it's not necessary. I'm a little messy sometimes, so I like to make sure that I'm covered. Okay. Now that we've got the tape on, we're going to take and get our thumbtacks. And most of the time I take and I look on the inside and I try to see which area that I can push the thumbtack in and won't have to struggle with it. Okay. I take it here and just push it in. Now, let's see, we're gonna go on this one. There. Then we've got the last one. I take and like I said, I look in there and see which area would be the best area for me to put my thumbtack in, so that it'll be nice and snug. I knew I was going to have a problem with one of them. It happens sometimes. Okay, now we flip it over and make sure that it's all nice and tidy. Then we're going to take our leveler, and I think I'm on the hump. Let's see, make sure I'm not on the hump. Hump is there, or I could put it here. Okay, so we're gonna measure, and sometimes just because my table isn't quite level as it should, I'm level there. Let's see, am I level here? Nope, I am not level, but I'm level there. So what we're gonna have to do, I'm level in the middle, I'm level at the bottom, I am, let's see, I'm right at level at the top, and on the sides I'm level, I'm in the bubble, I'm in the middle of the bubble. So I have leveled out here, 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 there, there, and there. So I don't want to move my piece because I know that right here it is level. So once you've got everything level, then you can start on your work. So see how simple that was? So if you would like, subscribe, share, comment, and until then, I will see you guys. Thank you.